4 General Service Unit officers and non-regular police officer have been interrogated over the killing of Pakistani journalist ارشد Sharif and their firearms confiscated for examination. The Rift Valley Region Security Command called Kehnia farm on Wednesday as part of the investigations. The farm is owned by the late journalist's friend, with his family calling for justice. Citizen TV's Ayub Abdikadir reports.
A contingent of top security officials from the Rift Valley region spent time at Kehnia farm, deep inside Magadi in the county of Kajiado, for the better part of the day. The late Pakistani journalist ارشد Sharif frequented this area. According to sources who spoke to Citizen Television, 4 GSU officers manning the roadblock were questioned on the death of the Pakistani journalist and their firearms confiscated. The 4 GSU officers who manned this roadblock will have their firearms taken for ballistic examination. A regular police officer who sent out the alert was also questioned on the incident. It has since been established that the motor vehicle registration number KDJ 700F is Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and not a Toyota Land Cruiser V8 registration number KDG 200M, which Sharif was aboard at the time of the incident. According to police reports, Douglas Wainaina, the owner of the Sprinter van that was reported stolen, made the report at Pangani police station. Wainaina's son, 26-year-old Duncan Kamau, was aboard the vehicle that was supposedly stolen in Pangani area, according to police reports. Police, after tracking the vehicle, found that it was within Kiserian area in Kajiado County, alerting their counterparts on the other end. Later, authorities found the vehicle at a petrol station in Kiserian with Wainaina's son, the driver. Kamau was presented in court for driving without license. His father, who was the complainant through lawyer Elisha Ndemo, withdrew the matter. The body of Sharif was airlifted to Pakistan for burial, with his family calling for justice. His death adds to the growing list of police killings and comes a fortnight after President William Ruto disbanded the DCI's Special Services Unit, linking it to extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearances. So the questions remaining are many. It is still unclear why the police officer shot and killed journalist ارشد Sharif. And what pops out of this episode is the sanctity of human life, the Kenya Police Service's dark past, and its not so clear future. Ayub Abdikadir, Citizen TV, Kamukuru, off Magadi Road in Kajiado County.